my God, my baby's coming.
This looks wonderful.
I hope you enjoy it.
Oh my God, my baby's coming.
Calm down, love. I have called the hospital ID.
The reason why your video is not coming out the way you want is because you're not giving AI the right prompt. See, this is the most challenging part for a lot of creators that are using AI to create their image. They say something else, AI is creating something else. It's because you're not scripting properly and you're not giving them the right prompt. So, if you want to learn how to give AI the right prompt, then just stick by. I will show you few tricks you need to add in order to make sure that they do what you want them to do. So let's go. Listen guys, creating an AI videos is most likely like you are directing a movie. If you want the movie to look exactly how you imagined it, your prompt must tell AI everything it needs to know. There are 6 things I'm going to be telling you in this video that every video you want to create needs to have it. If you are able to apply these 6 things, then it's definitely going to be easy and your video will come out as you want them. Number 1 is your subject. Who is in the video? This tells AI the main character. For example, a young lady, a businessman, a little boy, a soldier. That's that kind of thing. A chef. You need to always tell AI who is in the video. Without this, AI guesses. Okay, it's usually, and sometimes their guess is usually wrong. So you need to make sure that you tell AI who exactly is in the video. Number 2 is appearance. How the subject should look. This includes the age, the clothes, the hairstyle, expression, colors, everything. You need to explain to AI how you want this subject to look so that they will understand what they're creating for you. I have important tips for you. In that tips, I'm going to be telling you how to get the exact the same clothes, the same hairstyle, the same person, the same location, or even in different locations without mixing it up or getting different images. That tips is still in this video, so you need to watch this video to the end. So number 3 is action. What the person is doing. See, this is where most of creators get it very wrong. They don't specify what this creator needs to be doing, and they will end up getting something they don't plan for. See, movies need movement. If you don't tell AI the action, it gives you random motion. For example, walking slowly on the street, talking softly, running past cars, pointing at a billboard. See, relax, let me explain this a little bit. See, when you tell AI that the image needs to be walking slowly on the street, they don't need to now give you a fast image that is just walking so fast. Especially you remember that all these AI videos, AI apps mostly create 6 seconds video, right? So when you give them a prompt, they're always rushing the prompt. But if you tell them to calm down, walk slowly, tell them to talk softly, tell them to run past a car, tell them to point at a billboard, for example, they definitely will. If you want your image to be pointing at a billboard and you don't specify it, AI can make the image to walk past the billboard without even giving a sign of pointing. Do you get what I mean? So the next one has to be environment, right? Where the scene is happening. You need to be very specific on this. Do you want the scene to be indoors, outdoors? For example, a busy New York City, a busy Nigerian city, a busy Igbo market, Igbo market village, a busy market village, that kind of thing. Like, you need to specify where you want the background to be like. You can also say something like maybe something like a raining evening market. AI will understand the environment you want the scene to be like. The environment shapes the entire vibe of the video. And always remember that let your environment match the script you are given. For instance, you are maybe you are a lifestyle content creator, you are doing vlogging, you know that in your vlog you need to have an open market where you go shopping or you go to a mall. All these are environments, right, where your needs to be shopped. And after that, you mostly head to the kitchen sometimes, to do normal cooking.
Ooh, this is
The
yum.
environment needs to be a luxurious kitchen, or or maybe a just fancy, beautiful kitchen. You need to specify how the environment needs to look like so that AI will give it to you. I always use that term, luxurious kitchen. It gives you outstanding. See, luxurious outfit. AI normally gives outstanding outfit. It will not just give you outfit that will just looks awkward, right? Always use that term if you want. The next one would be camera movement and style. How the video should be shot. See guys, this is where your professionalism comes into play. If you're able to get the camera movement very properly, whoever watches your video will be like, how come, how was this shot? This is where you bring in your director talent. Let me explain. This is the secret many creators don't use. Camera movement decide how cinematic your video looks. For example, smooth tracking shot, close up of the face. In this aspect, the camera is going to be more close to your face. If you are doing an interactive section, it's going to be more close to your face and the person you are interacting with. A wide shot, a wide range shot. In that aspect, your video is going to give more room. A lot of things are going to be showing in the background. A slow motion, all these things. If you give it to AI, your video will come out very nice. A shallow depth of field. These things I'm mentioning right now, you need to make sure that you're telling AI this. Your video will be outstanding, I'm telling you. If you don't add camera style, the video feels flat and boring. So right now, always add camera style. How you want it to be. So the final one is quality and aspect ratio. This is the final polish. This includes the look, the sharpness, and platform size. Example, 4K quality, ultra realistic. Okay, well, let's come to aspect ratio. If you want your video to be in YouTube form, you need to say 16:19. If you want it to be in TikTok and Facebook, you can say it's 9:16. Yes, you are giving AI how you want the video to be produced out. So that aspect ratio is important and the quality is important. I learned this early and goodness, it gives outstanding. Always mentioning. See, sometimes when you don't mention it, they bring out good quality. Imagine when you mention it, that 4K quality, your video will come out very outstanding. So right now, this is a quick formula for AI prompt. Your subject plus your appearance plus your action plus your environment plus your camera shy plus your quality to aspect ratio. Okay, remember I told you that I'm going to be giving you how to make sure you get the same person, the same outfit throughout the entire scene. I tried this with Grok, and most time they will just give me different people, different scene, saying what I want, but they're not giving me the same first person I used to generate a video on it. For instance, you go to Grok and you upload your video. When you upload your video with the image, you tell Grok what to do, and they bring out the video. So then you want to start the second scene, you tell Grok what to do, and they will end up bringing out the thing but different person with the outfit you described. So what I did is, after creating the first video, I go to my photo, right? I play that video. Immediately I start playing that video, wherever I get the face of that person properly, and once I see where the face shows properly, I will screenshot it, because I know that once the face is clear, the outfit is already visible, everything is visible. So I screenshot it, then I crop it to make sure that, or when you screenshot something, a lot of things going on the environment, I crop it so that it look sound. Then the next thing I do is I will now go back to Grok. The next image I'm going to upload is going to be that image I screenshotted from the first video, right? Then I will upload it. I'll upload it and add the second scene. In that way, I get the same image, the same outfit. It can be in different environment, but let it be the same person still operating on. So tell me if you're going to be adding this. See, if you watch to the part of this video, say I got your trick and I'm happy. I will be very happy to see such comments under the comment section. So guys, that being said, go out there and create an amazing AI video that looks outstanding. So if you have any question while creating those videos, you can come to my DM or you come under this video and tell me. If I have time, I'm definitely going to explain.